Captain Medawasi, na mechia wa hwehfo ene atiefo nyina. You see, the problem I wo man mu ha. Ene say agriculture no, MC enhye dan ti ase. You see, ye ka aduane bo aye din no. There is a value chain. So along the value chain, ye wo farmer. Which farmer ne de n'adwuma ne so be produce akoko no. I'm using poultry as an example. Na meka agina so a kire say Ghana ewo capacity say ye betimi a produce nkoko a ye bewe ewo krom ha na even ya export bi. Ghana as I speak with you, your capacity ye nyanyina so na within the next 6 months Ghana betimi a export chicken. Now along the value chain na make no. So the farmer, when it comes to the farming, we are capable. There's another angle of transportation. There's another angle of processing. And then the final way, which is the marketing aspect of it. Between the farmer and the marketing aspect of it, along the value chain is where the problem is. Now, your farmers be producing cocoa or manure biamananto. Meanwhile, the last end, there is high demand for local chicken. Until say along the value chain, you be streamlining the man. A buyer it said the Ghana for ye intimi yet, and nunti was ye imported. But the Shasian as the farmer, and now Kodoma, there are a lot of farms that idler. They are capable of producing enough chicken.
Doma poultry farms be idle. About
70% of poultry farms what Doma idle.
Idle it as a
goo. As I speak with you,
business.
As I speak with you, me know Kase.
About 70% of Doma poultry farms.
70% of poultry farms are what Doma idle. A goo. And even the 30% no crana almost survive no. Almost apache. Sorry to use the word. No, they are not on their feet.
That's right.
Almost struggle pa. In the Ghana poultry, in the next, I'm looking at the next 6 months, yeah, I'm sure over 90% of Ghana poultry will be good because they say a poultry farmer won't mean to aduane engu for 3 months biano or poultry be good because it seems every Monday there's an adjustment of the price of our feed input. Every Monday for the past 4 weeks. Yes, for the past 4 weeks. Every Monday there is an adjustment of the poultry input. And this every Monday be awo kwa to feed na bo no kosra. Cause you won't mean to all of a sudden. In the time be most of the people omo poultry, especially omo egg producers, they are running at a loss. Previously about 10 years I mean poultry now your profit margin here about 45%. But now even if you are producing production capacity you are producing at about 90%, your profit margin is not even 10%.
Hey.
And even at that 10%, you can't even plan because at that 10% today, by Monday, also a near to adjust. So, and going into this Christmas, and go konam de yamienim ne ho bayedin because layers nanka. Most of the time, sa usually, and the fear BM etimi toba akwana mienu echeman kra no. One, because of when 70% of poultry nagu. Now 30% na.
You are talking about 70%.
Yes, and it's factual.
70% of poultry farms in Ghana go.
Yes, and the 30% no kra aka and they are struggling. So, anka Christmas time, Ubia poultry farmer be ankonton akoko around this time. Or train for Christmas. But then run freedom my buy. I man share crano within from Doma in Sasresu, Ebedu Sunyana. Michelle Ivory Coast cars bear 6.
Cars bear Ivory Coast.
Trucks. Our mother Fagana and Coco old layers. Anka under normal circumstances, Nka Ghana poultry farmer and the best train for Christmas.
Omodeko Ivory Coast.
Yes. And we have a very big problem. I think devoid of politics, Ghana agriculture needs a stakeholders engagement. Because
Why Ivory Coast? Why Ivory Coast? Before you continue.
You see, Domani, Ivory Coast, eben border, and Ivory Coast, hono, omo fresh chicken, omo chicken of lower value. Because
European Union,
so omo no de ene de, omo penti no, ebo no e wo soro kra na, omo value, omo chicken of high value rather than even if it's expensive. But Ghana ha na chicken of lower value. Say a cheaper. By the end of the day, you can buy a lower value chicken, eat it, but when at the end of the day you are not feeling well, you will buy a high value drug. So it's a give and take affair. So going forward, the message say because you say you don't have to be taking ad hoc measures to solve problems. I don't know how sustainable some of these solutions proposed. So it makes it difficult for agri sector to be able to elaborate the problem, because at the end of the day, we need to first of all identify the problem. Identifying the problem is the major step in solving it. But I think in the agricultural sector, we've not even identified the problem. And then trying to solve a problem you don't have, solve a problem you don't know, is an exercise in futility. So I think in agri-business, and now, first, I say agri 4 years, Sebi, one co school. Anyway, now there are a lot of level-headed people, a lot of people, you can also make proposals, it makes sense. So, Mr. say, going forward, And me, I'm happy I met President. I've never heard about.
I've not even heard of this before.
So I will engage him, because we need to encourage good farmers. We need to encourage good farmers. If we encourage good farmers, then our food safety and security will be assured. Because Ghana, we have a big problem with what we eat, and so big crap so nyawa.
Oh, sure.
So you have to safeguard aduane and know what you are eating. But most of the things we are eating, we don't even know the source. We don't know how it was prepared. But then going forward, Master said, devoid of political emotions anyway. When we are discussing agriculture, we bring out the facts.
Should be done devoid of politics.
Because enim MPP, enim NDC. But then farmers are going through hell at the moment.